Welcome to the AARDY.compare.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, Swiss Airlines travel insurance. Well, Swiss Airlines travel insurance cannot be purchased when buying flights from the US website, so not to worry, this is actually pretty good news. Customers are free to search the market to find a policy that suits their needs. Now, those of us who fly domestically within the US are used to having travel insurance pushed on us by the airline. We have argued for years that the insurance that airlines offer their customers is of poor quality and high price, weak cover. So the fact that Swiss Airlines does not sell Swiss Airlines' own travel insurance is a pleasant change. Travellers can now choose, and we'll show you how to do this. But first we went and searched for an example flight on the Swiss Airlines website. The flight price layout that Swiss Airlines uses is not as optimized as some of the grid systems we've seen, however it's not all bad. There is reasonably clear data on the flight options and pricing structure. Swiss also makes it reasonably simple to see the differences between booking in the different seat classes that it offers. But let's just take a moment to think about this. Some people, without thinking, buy the most expensive seat in order to give them booking flexibility. It is nice to be able to change our plans. Some companies, for instance, only ever book fully refundable seats for their staff. Airlines know this and try to gorge as much money from a traveller as possible. It is, after all, the same seat, the same food and the same entertainment system. Yet when you look at this from Swiss, all that can be seen is an economy seat that starts from $775 for a saver seat, moving up to $2,392 for a flex seat. That's $1,600 more each way, so $3,200 extra in total for the return flight. Indeed, the most expensive economy seat actually costs more than the least expensive business class seat. It boggles the mind that someone would pay more to sit in an economy seat for 13 hours than someone in a lie-flat business seat. On our initial look, there appears no difference between the fare types. Surely there must be some differences. So let's open up the fare rules. It seems that spending an extra $3,200 means a customer can save a $300 rebooking fee. They can also get a refund if they want to cancel. We will show you a little later how to gain almost all of those refundable cancellation benefits, yet pay for a non-refundable seat. So do stay with us. So we chose the least expensive non-refundable economy seat. The flight cost $1,581 to take us to and from Geneva. Remember, if we'd bought a fully refundable ticket, we would have spent nearly $5,000, which is rather insane. So recall that Swiss Airlines travel insurance was not available when we bought our flights online, so we can shop around. At AARDY Compare, we take care of this. We get a binding insurance quote anonymously from all of our major travel insurance carriers. And here are some of the excellent low-cost options for our trip. ITI, Roamrite, TII all have great plans for around $50 for our traveller. Now, one of our favourite low-cost policies is the ITI Lite plan. It's certainly low cost at $55, but it has 100k of medical sickness cover and 250k of medical evacuation cover. And what's more surprising is that it has really robust cancel for work cover. So we typically do not see such a cover in this type of low-cost plan, hence it being one of our favourites. So some people prefer to have a policy in place that provides cancel for any reason coverage. Now this is a super powerful benefit that does exactly what it says. A traveller needs to have no reason at all to cancel and still receive a significant refund. Now the policies that we have that provide such cover rebate the traveller to 75%. Now the use of cancel for any reason insurance to lower ticket prices has been described as the airline ticket hack. Refundable benefits, yet with non-refundable ticket costs. So for this benefit, we would choose the TII Worldwide Trip Protector Plus at $123, which offers great value, or the ITI Travel LX, which is a little less expensive at $116 and has a much higher medical cover. So we love Amazon and are fans of Expedia. Comparison shopping is simple. Sites like AARDY Compare do exactly the same for travel insurance. Would you visit each travel insurance carrier directly? Well, of course not. Take the Amazon-like travel insurance experience at AARDY. A travel insurance marketplace like AARDY Compare will offer a multitude of different plans from some of the most respected travel insurance carriers in the country. You'll only need a few minutes to check value for money, coverage, and insurance carrier rating. Enjoy your next trip with Swiss Airlines. Safe travels.